Hi, this is Sean Conley with Remax 360 in the Conley Real Estate Group, and welcome to Swampscott's Park Place condominiums. This luxurious 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome is the last one left. There were 4 units, 3 are already sold, and this is our last unit. This luxurious condo has hardwood floors, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops. Swampscott is a wonderful seaside community located 14 miles north of Boston. It's over 1,300 square feet of living space, and it's all brand new. So give me a call, DM me for more information. I'd love to show you this unit. Thanks.